So guys, we are all set for the cricket match. Woo! Come on, Team India!
India.
Hey,
So guys, आम्ही निघालोय आणि अर्जुन is here also with me.
Hello.
But as usual, गाडीत हवा कमी आहे आणि आम्ही इथे मेंटेनन्स करतोय गाडीचा. Here is बाबा.
जेव्हा
So guys, it's a big pleasure to have Shobha Pandit ma'am with us. मी थोडंसं एक इंट्रोडक्शन देते त्यांच्याबद्दल. शोभा पंडित मॅम, she was born on 11th February 1956 in Bombay, Maharashtra. She is a former test and one-day international cricketer who represented India. She also represented Maharashtra in domestic cricket league. She has played 8 test matches and 3 one-day international. लवकरच आपण त्यांना त्यांच्या घराच्या इकडनं पिकअप करणार आहे अँड देन वील हेड टुवर्ड्स दी स्टेडियम. व्हॉट से अर्जुन, आर यू एक्साइटेड फॉर द मॅच?
yes, and also to meet Shobha ma'am.
Okay, that's
It would
great.
be a nice pleasure to meet her.
Uh-huh.
I'll ask her some of my questions which I have
Okay.
for the forward future of my cricket.
Okay, that's great. Very good. So guys, we have picked up Shobha ma'am with us. So she's here with us. She was telling us something about her experience in her cricketing life. So ma'am, over to you.
Well, the way I see it is the younger generation needs to see at least once in a lifetime India playing on the ground
Yes.
and physically being present to see the feelings that people exhibit over there. It's a different scenario when you see it on TV at home, and when you see it on the ground, it gives you a different feeling. You feel a belonging to the country, a belonging to the team. Even though you may not be playing cricket, you have just gone there for the first time. You have not experienced an international match, but this is something that every Indian should experience.
To add upon this, it's my and Arjun's first international match which we are going to see. So we are completely very happy and we are looking forward to it.
Excellent. I will be very happy at the end of the day to hear you talk.
Yes. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Welcome.
So I had a question that in 1,000 and 100 people, how did you keep your calm? How did you keep calm and how did you played well? How did you concentrate? Because 100 people are cheering you and dismotivating you. So how would you keep calm?
And also your experience and your feelings about the same.
That's a very nice question and a very well question to be answered. Is the reason that there are a couple of things that are required when you are on the ground. You're accountable to first your game,
Right.
your coach, your parents, your country, and lastly your performance.
Correct.
Okay, now putting all this together, you need to have a cool mind which says slow down, play the ball the way it is bowled, play the ball to its merit. Every ball is not meant to be hit. There is something that's called as defense. There's something that's called as a scoring shot. So, yeah, a scoring stroke. Okay, so if you are on the ground, it's only then that you can play a scoring stroke. Whereas if you are out, you cannot do it. So to be able to hit that stroke, you have to be on the ground. And what better way is that you keep talking to yourself to calm yourself down and to tell yourself that you are able to play. You are
Right.
there because you have been selected. There is something that the selectors have found in you, and therefore you are representing the country, and therefore you need to show them what your selectors, the faith that the selectors put in you to be there.
Right.
And this is what taught me how to play the game at a calm level.
Very well said, ma'am.
Arjun, there are two things that you require. It is not necessary to have power in your stroke. You need to have a good selection of the ball, and your timing has to be perfect.
Yes.
And the third thing that I would put in is your position of your body and your bat has to come in line with the ball, and it's only then that you can make that a scoring shot. So when you're watching the match today, do watch Virat
Yes.
with his cover drives, because you will see his footwork, you'll see his selection of the ball,
Right.
and you'll see the timing in that stroke. And thirdly, the fourth thing that you need to see is you hear the sound of the bat.
Yes.
The sound of the bat is most important.
Yes.
The moment you hear the sound, you know that that's a good stroke.
Yes.
Correct.
Yeah.
Did you get it?
Yes.
Great. So we are heading, but there's a lot of traffic. But let's see how it goes.
थोडं गाईड करा.
Nakki, sir. Arjun, when you have food, are you tensed eating?
Sometimes if माझी समजा आवडीची
ची भाजी नसेल तर you are tense having it, right? You have to remember one thing. You have 5 fingers on your hand. You are the person who's eating. But every day mama can't make what you like. One day it will be what Tai likes, one day it will be what Baba likes, one day it will be what Aji likes, and one day it will be what you like. Okay? But remember, everyone is eating what is being served on the plate. Therefore, it is being served to you with a purpose, and it is being served to you with some thought behind it, and therefore you should be able to eat it with a peace of mind, like how you do your keeping.
Yes.
And how you get a difficult situation where you need to handle it with a peace of mind. So when you're eating food also, you should be at peace. It's only then that food can be, you know, your body can utilize the value of that food.
करेक्ट गाइस हम निकल चुके हैं लाइक बहुत ट्रैफिक है सो दे आर जस्ट लेटिंग इन द VIP passes now everyone is okay so now everyone is heading to the stadium by their feet. They are approaching towards the gate. Here is what you can see. Indian crowds roaring for the Indian cricket team. The escape, it was just horrible. So many fans were waiting. It was life risking but worth it, guys.